Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rahmawati, kelas 2 KP3 MPM 2012 0081. Here are semester exam question English for accounting. Number 1. What accounting is? Answer. Accounting is a process that begins with recording, classifying, processing, presenting data, and recording transactions related to finance. According to the American Accounting Association, accounting is the process of identifying, measuring, and reporting economic information to enable clear and firm judgments and decisions for those who ask the information. In addition, according to the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants, accounting is the art of recording, classifying, summarizing accurately, and in terms of currency, transactions, and events that are less financial in nature, and interpreting the result thereof. Number 2. Please give me some reason why accounting is very important in the world. Answer. Accounting plays an important and much needed role because every company will, of course, always need a data management that is accurate and able to support the company throughout, of course. It is so important, namely the role of accounting in a company. These accounting reports are usually accepted as the main sources of information that is accepted as education, making by interested parties, of course, other information is also needed in making a decision in a company. Then all the information will be accumulated to become one and will then be analyzed and at the final stage will be accepted as a basis for decision making. Number 6. Please tell me what the function of every component on financial reporting. Financial statement component consists of 4, namely 1. Profit and loss report. The profit information about the condition of the company, whether it earns a profit or loss, and becomes a reference for the company in business development. 2. Statement of changes in equity reports and change in working capital and makes an overview of investment. 3. Balance sheet reports knowing the financial condition and relying on assets and liabilities in its preparation. 4. Cash flow reports to find out more about the company's ability to pay operational aspects such as paying company obligations, paying employee salaries, and paying dividends. Notes to financial statement. Function for profit and explanation or detail of the item presented in the financial statement and information about item that do not meet the recognition criteria in the financial statement. Financial statements are prepared by company management to account for the tax assigned by the company owner. In addition, financial reports are also a report to parties outside the company such as potential investor and the government. Number 4. What the difference between tangible and intangible assets? Answer. Tangible fixed assets are fixed assets that are tangible and are assets in company activities to support the business. Example, land, buildings, and buildings. Intangible fixed assets are fixed assets that do not have a physical form that profit benefits for the company's operation. Example, goodwill, patent, trademark rights. Number 5. Prospective investor is any person or other entity, such as company or mutual fund, that provides capital in the hope of saving. A financial investor relies on different financial instruments to earn return and achieve important financial goals, such as building, retirement, saving, funding, college education, or simply additional wealth over time. Investors need accounting information in the form of financial condition as a basis for evaluation. This information is important because it will determine investor decision in the future. Example, income statement, statement of change in equity, balance sheet, cash flow statement, next to financial statement. Number 6. Tell me the story one of the biggest accounting scandal in the world. Answer. The Enron scandal that emerged in October 2001. A major scandal that led to the bankruptcy of the energy company Enron based in Houston, Texas. This scandal also dragged the auditing and accounting agency Arthur Andersen, so it had to be dissolved. Arthur Andersen was one of the 5 largest auditing and accounting institutions in the world at the time. In 2001, it emerged that Enron was fraudulent and had a lot of hidden debts. Enron manipulated to be audit the company's financial statement. In addition to its commodities business, Enron had another division called Asset and Investment that was just as mysterious. This business involves building power plants around the world, operating them, selling pieces of them, investing in debt and equity securities of energy and communication-related business. By measuring fast over starting revenues and starting costs, exaggerating the value of company assets, or not reporting the existence of liabilities, this involves employees' account, or the company receive and mislead investors and shareholders. This type of creative accounting can be interpreted as a fraud, and investigations are usually launched by government regulatory bodies such as the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC). In the United States, employees who commit accounting fraud at the request of their employers are subject to criminal charges against individuals. Fraudulent financial reporting is also known as early management fraud. In this context, management intentionally manipulates accounting figures or accounting estimates to inflate financial statements. Public and private companies undertake fraudulent financial reporting to secure investor interest or obtain bank approval for financing as a justification for bonus or salary increase, or to meet shareholder expectations. The Securities and Exchange Commission has taken enforcement action against corporations for various types of fraudulent financial reporting, including improper revenue recognition and overbeyond filing, fraudulent post-closing entries, improper asset valuation, and fraudulent non-GAAP financial measurement misleading. The Enron scandal, published in October 2001, An American agency company based in Houston, Texas was followed by the discretion of Arthur Andersen, which was one of the 5 players auditing and accounting partnership in the world the record in American history. It started as the beginnings audit firm. So much from me, thanks. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.